Breast milk is an incredible source of nutrition that continues to benefit your baby even after it has been stored. Whether you're building a freezer stash before returning to work or saving extra milk from occasional pumping sessions, proper freezing and thawing techniques help preserve as many nutrients and protective properties as possible. While some immune components naturally decrease over time in frozen milk, it remains a highly nutritious choice that is far superior to improper storage or unnecessary waste. The first step is freezing milk as soon as possible after pumping. Freshly expressed milk contains the highest levels of vitamins, antibodies, and beneficial enzymes. If you won't be using it within a few days, transfer it to the freezer promptly. Use clean, food-grade breast milk storage bags or BPA-free containers specifically designed for human milk storage. Leave about an inch of space at the top because breast milk expands as it freezes. Store milk in small portions, typically 2 to 4 ounces, 60 to 120 milliliters. Smaller portions thaw faster and reduce waste since thawed breast milk should not be refrozen. Label every container with the pumping date before placing it in the freezer. If your baby attends daycare, include your baby's name if required by the facility. Where you place the milk in the freezer matters. Store containers toward the back, where the temperature remains consistently cold, rather than in the freezer door, which experiences frequent temperature changes whenever it is opened. When it's time to use frozen milk, thaw the oldest stored milk first using the first in, first out method. The safest way to thaw breast milk is overnight in the refrigerator. If you need it sooner, place the sealed container in a bowl of warm water or hold it under gently running warm water. Avoid boiling water because excessive heat can damage heat-sensitive nutrients and protective proteins. Never thaw or warm breast milk in a microwave. Microwaves create hot spots that can burn your baby's mouth and may reduce some of the milk's beneficial immune properties. Gentle warming is always the safest choice. After thawing, you may notice the milk has separated into layers, with cream rising to the top. This is completely normal. Swirl the container gently until the fat mixes back into the milk. Avoid vigorous shaking, which may affect some delicate milk components, although occasional gentle mixing is perfectly fine. Once breast milk has completely thawed in the refrigerator, it should generally be used within 24 hours. If it has been warmed to room temperature or your baby has started drinking from the bottle, use it within about 2 hours and discard any leftover milk afterward. Never refreeze thawed breast milk. Some parents notice that frozen breast milk develops a soapy or metallic smell after thawing. This is often caused by naturally occurring lipase enzymes and is usually safe for babies to drink if the milk has been stored properly. If your baby refuses milk because of the taste, consult a lactation professional about possible strategies for future pumping sessions. Creating a well-organized freezer stash makes feeding less stressful. Arrange milk by date, keep an inventory, and rotate your oldest milk forward. This simple habit ensures that stored milk is used while it is at its best quality. Remember that every ounce of breast milk represents time, effort, and care. Even if freezing slightly reduces certain immune factors over time, frozen breast milk still provides outstanding nutrition and valuable protection for your growing baby. Focus on safe storage practices rather than striving for perfection. Your baby continues to receive remarkable benefits from every carefully stored bottle. Thank you for watching Pump with Isabella. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based breastfeeding tips, pumping advice, and practical support to make your feeding journey easier and more confident.